This is the salary of the boss of 8 coal companies. Turns out to be hundreds of billions. Commodity prices have skyrocketed in recent times, and coal is no exception. Along with that, the board of directors and commissioners of a number of issuers also enjoy cash in the form of salary increases and other compensation. PT Adaro Energy Indonesia, the issuer, led by entrepreneur Garibaldi Boy Thohir, provides remuneration or employee benefits along with other compensation to key management, namely the board of commissioners and directors, in a total of 19.46 million US dollar, or equivalent to 279.28 billion rupiah, assuming an exchange rate of 14,350 rupiah per US dollar in 2021. PT Bayan Resources, the issuer controlled by tycoon Low Tuck Kwong, paid salaries and other short-term employee benefits to the board of directors amounting to 18.80 million US dollar, or 269.83 billion rupiah. Last year, a significant increase from 6.67 million US dollar in 2020, or 95.76 billion rupiah. PT Harum Energy, this issuer made by entrepreneur Kiki Barki, provides salaries, or in terms of short-term employee benefits, financial statements to the key management, including the board of commissioners and directors of the business group, totaling 4.25 million or 61.07 billion rupiah in 2021. PT Indo Tambang Raya Megah, the issuer belonging to the Thai energy conglomerate group Banpu, provided salaries and other short-term employee benefits to the board of directors and other key management personnel of 2.99 million US dollar, or 43.02 billion rupiah last year. PT Bukit Asam, PTBA's paid salaries, employee benefits, and other benefits to the board of directors in the amount of 48.99 billion Indonesian rupiah in 2021. This figure was recorded to be an increase from 2020 of 48.53 billion Indonesian rupiah. PT Golden Eagle Energy, this issuer belonging to the Rajawali Group, which is controlled by entrepreneur Peter Sondak, provided short-term employee benefits to the group's commissioners and directors of 6.64 billion rupiah in 2021, lower than that given in 2020 of 6.82 billion rupiah. PT United Tractors, lastly, the issuer of the Astra Group, provided compensation in the form of short-term employee benefits to key management of a total of 176.01 billion rupiah. Last year, an increase from the previous year of 160.17 billion rupiah.